Good evening, everyone. I am moving forward in my Leetcode journey. Today is my day 3 of my Leetcode problems. So I am taking today problem number 220, which is valid parenthesis. You can see it on my Leetcode also. So here I have wrote the code of it, and I will explain you every written code here line by line. No line gap will be there. So without any delay, we will start now. So as you know, what is parenthesis? So you can see that these are the parentheses which we use commonly. First one is square bracket, and second one is what is it said, yeah, round brackets, and third one is curly brackets. So the problem, you can see the problem in lead code also, but here I am not writing whole problem statement, but just I am explaining you the concept of that problem, that we have to find that the parentheses are valid or not. Means if there any single parenthesis like this one, so it should have been its closer one like this one. If there are both group of brackets, means both pair of that parenthesis, so it will be valid parenthesis. Like I have taken input like this is our round bracket, round open bracket, this is square open, this is square close, and this is round close. So we have to check that it is valid parenthesis or not. So as I told you that if there is left one and a right one, both are in pair, so it will be valid. So here we can see round are both here and also square, so this will be a valid parenthesis, but we have to write code about it. So here I am using logic of stack data structure. So if you don't know about stack, so watch another video of data types, but I'm giving you a simple explanation of it, that in stack there are some basic operations like push and pop. I am using here push and pop only, so I'm empty is also, top is also, so I'm going to explain just a little second of it, that in stack, push means we have to put input into the stack, input or anything which user wants to let in, and pop is that we have to out anything from that stack. Means we have a box, and if we have to put into box, then it will be push, else it will be pop. So now another one is empty. Empty refers to when the box is totally empty, there is no any parenthesis or anything or ball, then it will be empty. So now starting the code, here I have written that class will be solution. I have already told you that we are making object oriented programming, so we will use classes and objects. So here my class name is solution, and it is public because we have to give access to all the elements to access this class. If we will make it private, then no one can access of it. So our class is solution, which is public, and now we are making a function of it like bool. This one is also a data type. If you don't know about it, let me quick review of it. Like bool only returns true or false value. True means one value and false means zero value. So it will returns only in terms of true and false. So the data type of this function, which will be the output, is bool, and the function name is valid, and the input which are accepted by this function is string. Means in these cases they are special character in keyboard, so we will treat them like as string, and we named string as s. Means we are storing string in the function is valid, which data type is bool, as s in s. So function is start, and here we can see we have to make a stack, which is a magic box which will work for this problem. So here is a stack which data type is character. You can see these are. So continue. This was our function which was a string s, We are initializing stack here which are accepting characters only, because these are the special character which name is st. We generally represent stack as st. So here next line is for. Because I have to check all these parentheses, so we will use for loop here. For loop, you know, initialization, condition and increment. So we will initialize a index I from 0, and it will be goes to the length of that stack, that we have the length 1 2 3 4. Sorry, if we put 1 only, then it will be 1 only, and we will increment 1 by 1. So for this we are taking now this one, open square parenthesis. So move forward, we will execute this loop for I is equal to 0. I is now 0, and length is 1 because there is one parenthesis which is small than I. Yeah, 0 is smaller than 1. So we will move forward that after this condition we go it there. So character c is will be si. So now the character box which we are making new, which is data type is char, this is named as c. It will be s of I, means that element that is representing by I. So it will be now this one. So okay, so again check if c is equal to open square bracket or open curly bracket or open square bracket. So we will push into st step. So here we can say our see our bracket is this one, it is matching from it, so we will push it into stack. So we will push into stack here. Okay, now this one is closed. Our if has been completed, so we will not go to into else box, and we will again go to for loop and will move forward. Now I will be 1, I will be 1, and this one length will be, now we are taking this one, length will be 2. It is again smaller than it. So we will be again do this, character c will be now this bracket, and again we will check if it is matching from this. Yeah, it is matching from this open square bracket. So we will again push it on stack. So here we will push it. Okay, this name is stack. Now again else will not run. We again go to the while loop, and here we again take a input which is this one. Here we check if these condition are matching. There's no condition which are matching because they all are opening bracket, but we have close bracket. So we'll be move next forward like else block. So here we check if st is empty, our stack is empty. No, so we will not run this loop. Again we will initialize a box which name is top, which are accepting char only. st.top means we will put this top, means upper element of stack in the into this top, which is this one. Okay, now we again check the condition if c is equal to this or this and this. Sorry, if c means this one. If c is open bracket, sorry, here's close bracket. Now we are taking this one now, so it will be this one. So if c is close bracket and top is open and they both are matching each other, so we will check that here c is close bracket and top is open, they both are matching each other. So it will be pop from that stack. So we will be pop this one. So our this will be pop and this also be here only. Okay, so this will be pop, the stack is remains this one. Now if has run. Okay, now we will go to the again our for loop. Now we will increase it and take another input which is this, and c value will become this now. And check if these three are matching. They are not matching, so we will move forward like else block. If st is empty, check st is empty, not empty. So we will go into else loop, where we first initialize top as st top, means the top of the stack will be now this one. Open of square rounded bracket, and we will again check this condition that if c is close bracket and top is c is close bracket and top is open bracket and they both are matching. Yeah, we can see that c is close bracket and top is open bracket and they both are same. So we will pop it out. So this will also popped here. We have popped already it, and this one also. So now we again go check if there is any value which I have to take. The input has been completely done, so we will exit from this all loop and check returns st.empty. So this was also being popped from this stack. So check if the stack is empty. Yes, it is full empty. So we will say that our parentheses are fully matched here and our stack is empty. So we can say that our parentheses are valid. You can check that our parentheses had been valid as we theoretically proved it, and now this code is also proving that the parentheses are valid. Output will be accepted or valid. Let me give me a minute. I will show it in my lead code. Yes, you can see that in my lead code I have wrote this code as I was dictated written in I have written in my copy same as it is, as I explained you, and it is accepting all the test cases. You can see here. So it was our final solution of that problem, valid parenthesis. So this is for now, this is for today. So bye bye, take care.